Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that what to do if you can't access any audio in your Instagram account, and if you can't find any audio for your stories or for your Instagram account. So how can you fix that problem? First of all, you just have to click on the Play Store and update your Instagram latest version right now. And if you have updated, then please go on the Instagram and let me just click on it, and I will just tap this for 2 or 3 seconds and go to the app information option on the fifth menu here. Click on app information and just clear all the cache and all the data from here, and like this is storage usage, click on it and you can see there is option called clear data or clear cache from here. So you will just clear it and it will be for the best and a booster version of your Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked.